18 passengers and drivers of the vehicle were not injured due to immediate response of firefighters. However, the fact of in play to clear Chuva the corridor of this height. Risk management anti-hail cleared the area as smooth as wood material washed away, but the rain continued to impede passage through the area. The water level hasn't dropped completely area. Local rescue responded to 759 calls to help, with only 416 calls related to flooding. Meanwhile, the residents of Valencia region are bracing to even more meat weather after torrential rain lashed local branch some flooding town centers. The Meteorological Service of Catalonia recorded more than 100 millimeters, 3.9 inches of rain in the area. Another 16 adults and 6 minors had to receive medical attention after the collapse of 8 light structures in the Adapa Park de Rio sector. In addition, several warnings were received about fallen trees and bulks, crashed buses, depressing flooding and closed roads. Neighbors with knee-deep water and commercial premises where things have been lost are some of the image left behind by a rainy day. First thing in the morning after 95, electric shocks were registered in the city with many hours of rain, spilling and swelling of some streams. It was seen how the authorities managed to get by stuck in the depression zone of the North Terminal.